Hey YouTube, it is Miss Technical, and today I'm going to show you how to automate your lead collection using Zapier. So we're going to connect your Jotform to Google Sheets and then move them to your CRM system. And in this example, we are using ClickUp for the CRM. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do before starting this tutorial is making sure that you already have an account with Jotform and you already created a form, a lead capture form. Next, now this step can be skipped if you would prefer not to have Google Sheets, but if you do want to have your leads go onto Google Sheets as well, you want to make sure that all the fields on Jotform is also on your Google Sheets too. And lastly, for your CRM system, you want to make sure again that everything that's being collected in your lead capture form can go into your CRM system. So for example, if you have address on your lead capture form on Jotform, you want to make sure that your CRM system has a place to put the address as well. All right, so this is my lead capture form, and this is the form that Jotform already had made as a template, so I just reused it. So the first thing that you're going to do is copy that link for the form, paste it, and complete the form fields like I am doing here. The reason why we're doing this is so that we're able to test it when it comes to Zapier. Next, log into your CRM system, and in this case, we're using ClickUp, and double check that all the form fields from Jotform have a corresponding placement in your CRM. This is going to ensure that your leads flow smoothly without any hiccups. Now we can get into the fun stuff. So log into your Zapier, and I want you to create a new Zap. Click on your first trigger and then type in Jotform. For the trigger event, you're going to choose New Submission, and then you're going to click Sign In to connect it to your account. For this example, for HIPAA compliant, I just said no because this does not involve me. And then for do you use European data centers, I pushed no. If you're already signed into your Jotform, you're just going to see something that says allow. If not, you're going to have to sign in and then click allow. Once you're signed in, click continue. Then for form, click on the form that you would like to use, in this case, lead capture form. Click continue, and then we're going to test the trigger. And this is going to show the test trigger that we created prior. Click on the submission just to make sure that it's the test trigger that was created. And if everything looks good, click on continue with selected record. For the next app, we are going to choose Google Sheets, and you just want to confirm again that everything on the Jotform fields are in your Google Sheets as well. So for the action event, we are going to click on Create Spreadsheet Row. And then under Account, you're going to either select the account that you would like to use or connect it to a new one. In this case, I'm connecting it to a new Google account. For Drive, you want to click on the Drive, which is going to be my Google Drive. Typically it's my Google Drive. And then for the spreadsheet, you're going to click on the spreadsheet name that you have for your lead capture sheet. And then for the worksheet, you can click on sheet 1. For this example, for me, it's sheet 1. If you would like to use different sheets on your spreadsheet, you're able to click those as well. Once you click on it, you will then see the form fields here. If you do not see the form fields, I will have a video in my description on how to fix that. Next, click on the plus button on each field to match it with the corresponding field on Jotform. Once you've done that, click continue. Next, we're going to test the step just to make sure that everything looks good. And as you can see, everything is looking good on Google Sheets. I did make some edits here, which I will show you. For the date, I wanted the date to look a certain way. And then for the address, I didn't want it to look long, as you can see here. So I changed that as well. Once Google Sheet is done, we're then going to connect it to your CRM system. Again, for my example, I'm using ClickUp. And then I'm going to click on Create a Task. Now for this step, I'm just merging everything into ClickUp my CRM system as you are seeing here. Now, if you're using ClickUp and you have an issue like you see here when it comes to the address field, there is a way to fix this. I will have a video underneath my description showing you exactly how to fix this here. All right, so after the test, you can see that everything looks good on ClickUp. When everything looks good, make sure to click Publish. If you don't click Publish, it will not work or start working. And that is it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a residue of your energy by liking this video. Also, to help support my channel so I can continue making videos like this, please remember to subscribe and comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching.